Now, hi everybody. In this video I'd like to show you how to create a mask and use the mask on different layers in Photoshop. On this image it's very easy. We've got a gray background, so we can use only a selection with the color range by clicking in this image and going around a little bit to select the areas we like to have, and only clicking OK, so Photoshop's loading the selection to our picture. And now we want to use an adjustment layer on the model. Well, this way we've got a selection on the background, so we have to invert the selection first, and this is also easy to select inverse. So now the selection is only working on the model, and then we can go in the adjustment layers by clicking this button, or on CS4 by clicking one of these buttons in this window. And Photoshop's creating a mask directly from the selection. We can take a look on the mask, and here we see if you're holding down the Alt key and clicking on the mask, it's coming on this showing in Photoshop, and here we can use the brush tool with black and white and paint a little bit in the mask to give the mask a real black and white. You can change this to colors, fore and background color, by using the X key. And so we can going around this image and take a look on every part of the image. You can zoom in or what, but this is okay for now. So you can click on the layer and the layer mask by holding the Alt key, coming back to the normal shown, and can use the adjustment layer, the curve, how we like to use it. And it's only having the adjustment on the model by using this layer mask. And now I like to darken the background a little bit, and I show another way. We can go back to our layers, and now I want to use a level layer I created. We've got directly with Photoshop mask, white mask in this case, but we want to have this mask also on this layer. So there are different ways. You can, holding down the Alt key, taking the layer with the mouse, drag and drop it, replace layer mask, yes we want. But now it's the white area only on the model, so we need the white area on the background to use the adjustments. So now we have to click by Control and the I key to invert the layer. Another way is, I delete this mask for you to show another way. You hold the Control key down on your keyboard, click with your mouse with the right mouse key on the mask. So Photoshop is loading the selection, and you can now use select inverse or the Shift Control plus the I key to inverse this layer mask, another selection, and now you can click on the layer you want to use the mask on and create a new layer mask, and it's inverted. So now we can darken the background how we want, and it takes only the background and the reason of this layer mask. Yeah, this is a nice option in Photoshop to use adjustment layers or what else, change the background by using a layer mask. I hope you enjoy. See you the next time. Bye.